In the life, many times we got something addiction. Addiction is not only for some liquor or some alcohol or some smoking or some other bad habit. Addiction can be of any other type. Maybe sometime you're doing certain things which are disliked by many, and many times because of your addiction, you are also not comfortable. You also suffer, and people who are living with you also suffer. So get rid of this addiction. We should go to the powerful god of wind, that is Hanumanji. Hanumanji will take care of your all the mess which are the addictions and those kind of mess which you created. Surrender to Hanumanji, and the mantra will be Om Ham Hanumante Namah. And when you are chanting this mantra, you are in Abhay Mudra. Abhay means fearlessness. When you are fearless, how any addiction can come and attack you? You become the master of your mind. You will not be the servant of your mind. And when you become the master of the mind, you will be free from the addictions. So perform both mantra and mudra simultaneously for about 20 minutes daily, immediately before the sunrise, about 96 minutes, facing towards east, getting the power from the sun, getting the power from the wind, and just watching. And when you are performing this mudra, your body should swing like this, forward and backward, and mantra should be performed in the mind. Continue performance of the mantra in the mind will really take you to the heights of your inner balance, and whenever you are balanced, you will be free from addictions. Wish you all the best. Continue this program and enjoy your life. All the best wishes, blessings, and in case you want any further clarifications, always feel free to contact, and we will be more than happy to help you to get rid of your diseases through the various techniques of yogic science. They are for all wellness and wellness of mankind. Again, blessings. Om Shanti.